In this week's video, we're going to look at fourth highest leads against no trump contracts and the rule of 11. So, why is lefty led the three of diamonds? Well, in no trumps, what we tend to do is lead our longest suit. Let's just put that back in the hand for a moment. Lead our longest suit. The reason for that is we hope to find our partner with the longest suit. In the same way as declarer tries to establish length, so to the defence. Hopefully they'll establish length, get back in with the winner later, and then clear you out with the remaining winners. Sometimes, however, they don't find their partner with the winners, they find you with the winners. And you can use their fourth highest lead, which is generally a good lead, against them. Now, if we look at the whole hand, we'll see that we've got 7 cards higher than the 3 that's been led. If this is fourth highest, there's got to be 3 cards higher, and there's only 4 cards, if we were to look at all the cards together, the 6, the 9, the 10, and the queen higher. So actually, righty, if it's fourth highest, second, third, fourth highest, there's 3 cards here, there's only 1 card there. Now that takes a lot of thinking about. An easier rule, and both righty can do it in the same way as declarer. The rule of 11 says subtract the spot card, the slow card, the 3, away from 11, hence the rule of 11, and that gives you 8 here. And that tells you that in the remaining 3 hands, so you can't see their hands, oops, see our hands, sorry, not this one. In the remaining 3 hands, so not the leader's hand, but the dummy, your own hand, and righty, or if righty was doing it, it would be their own hand, and they'd be able to see the dummy as well, but not your own hand. It tells you, between these 3 hands, there are 8 cards, in this case, higher than the 3. Now, sometimes it won't help at all. It'll always work. Sometimes it won't help. Here it does help, because we can see how many cards higher than the 3 between our 2 hands? 7. Therefore, there's only 1 card higher than the 3 in righty's hand. And if you remember that, the 10 is low, the 10 comes up, that's the 1 card that's higher than the 3. And therefore, lefty has all the other cards higher than the 3. So, let's use this against lefty. Let's immediately sling back the 8 of diamonds. Probably best to cover with the 9, is probably the best thing. Jack. And righty is out of diamonds. So we now know the queen is on the left and the ace 7 are surrounding it. So we're going to make 2 more diamond tricks, but not quite yet. Where else are we going for honey? Well, we're also going for the spades. The spade length, and the same sort of principle in the spades as in diamonds. So let's work up those honours. Not rush in with the ace or the queen. Let's finesse for the lowest missing honour. With an ace queen 10 9, or ace queen 10 plays the 9, plays the 10. We lose to the king, but we haven't lost to the jack, so we know righty's got the jack. So otherwise surely lefty would have won that trick. Club switch comes in. Are we going to play the ace here, or are we going to play the queen and try for an extra trick? Well, let's count our tricks. We've got 2 in the bank. We're expecting 4 more spade tricks. We're going to finesse through the jack. We're going to make ace, queen, 10, and the 2. All 4. That's 6 tricks. 3 hearts, 7, 8, 9. The ace club's 10. We're expecting 2 diamonds. So actually, we expect to make the rest of the tricks. So no need to take any risks. We're in the right hand now, the correct hand to play our spades, weak to strong, remembering what we know. Righty's got the jack, so the 10 will do. Now rattle off all these winning spades, throwing the clubs away. The clubs are useless to you. Lefty's conscious not to throw all the diamonds, just to give you something to think about. Back to the diamonds. Let's remember what we know about the diamonds. We remember the lefty's got the queen, so when the 6 comes in, righty's out, the 7 is all we need. Grab the ace. And to finish off, we've got highest from shortest in the hearts. To keep the suit fluid, over we go to the king in the short hand as we return to the hand we want to be in. And that brings home 12 tricks. Playing the last trick. A victory for deep finessing. Remember the rule of 11, subtract the spot card from 11. That tells you how many higher cards than the spot card there are in the 3 hands other than the leader.